All right, boys. I think we're all in. Now, can't really tell if this is a good view. Don't fall. Whatever you do, don't fall. YouTube, what is going on, guys? It is Jace coming at you with a video. Now, honestly, I've been thinking a lot, right? I was thinking back to earlier days when I first started making music. In that time, there was a lot of things that I had to learn, a lot of the engineering, the software, how to use my voice. There's a lot that goes into songwriting. So I thought, what's the perfect video to make? How to write a song. Beginner level, friendly. Beginner friendly. It's pretty easy nowadays to make a song, or not necessarily easy. It is the easiest it's ever been in the history of the world, where anybody can get on a computer, get a little microphone, get a little interface, and make a song. So I thought, let me take you through the step-to-step process of what I do. I know I would want a video of people on how they make it very simply, very easy, how to songwrite, how to edit, how to record. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that for you guys right fucking now. All right, so the first part of really writing a song has to become probably one of the easiest things to find on the internet, which is a beat / instrumental. You could all go based off of whatever music you're gonna be making, whether that be hip hop, rap, trap, pop, country, whatever it is, you can find it on the internet. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys through the first step of the process, which is finding a beat. Now remember, when picking beats, all you want to do is find something that you can vibe with. Especially as a beginner, you just want something you can catch a melody to and a rhythm to. So I'm gonna go ahead and look for one real quick. Simple type beat, you can put in whatever you want. So if I'm gonna go with something a little bit more trappy, a little bit more my style, I'm gonna put a 88 glam type beat. So there's obviously a lot that I could choose from. Now, a word of recommendation, you kind of want to choose a beat that doesn't have too many views. Anything less than probably 100,000, because once you hit over 100,000 range, it starts to get really infatuated, and you could actually hear these beats in other people's songs, ironically. So right here, as you can see, this 88 Nav type beat, Heaven Sent, that was 5,000 views. That's really good. We'll see what the beat maker's like. And this is going to be a trial and error process. You're not going to find, or sometimes you will. You will find one right off the bat. Sometimes you won't. Fuck it. Work luck of the draw. Alright guys, so I found a beat that I'm actually going to go ahead and use. Now this is going to be the beat that I'm going to be using for this song. So step number 2 is going to be find the melody. It's very simple. All you're going to do in the background is you're going to have the music playing. While that is happening, you are going to come up with a melody in your head. This could be very simple or very intricate, however way that you feel necessary. So at this point in the song, you don't have to worry about the words. All right now I want you to do is find a melody. Da-na-na. Da-na-na, da-na-na, dun, 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 dun. So as you can see, melodies could be very intricate or very simple depending on just your ear, what you find that you like on the beat. You're gonna be able to find the melody. That's definitely the easiest way. So just worry about the melody of the song. Alright, so now that you got the melody in your head, here comes the fun part. It's going to be the writing of the words. Now, the most simplest way to go ahead and do this is just by going off of the first word that comes into your mind when that melody comes up. So, for example, dun 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 dun, dun you're listening in my mind. Dun da 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 da, you do this all the time. Now, obviously that didn't work out in my favor as I could only get the last couple words out, but that is fine. That's the great thing about music creation is you could be writing them in any way. It really allows you to be flexible in the way that you write your songs. You could start from the end, you can start from the beginning. The main point of beginning the songwriting process is just to get your ideas on paper, whether it's gonna stick or not. Don't rush the writing process. You're gonna wanna go with whatever feels right and whatever sounds good to you. The amount of time you're gonna take could take anywhere from about 30 minutes to a couple of hours, depending on how deep you wanna go with your lyrics. Just don't stress the writing process. It should be fun and you should have a great time writing it. By the end of your writing process, the beat should basically be ingrained into your ear, just so you could basically go off of it way easier, and it should come out great. Now, you're probably wondering why I made you do the melody first before the actual lyrics are made. The reason for that is because you could write a great song with great lyrics, but it could be very difficult to find a beat matching the type of tone you want to go with your song. It's going to be very difficult to find a beat that has the same BPM, rhythm, cadence that you're going to want with the lyrics that you wrote. So hence why I told you do the melody first, as everything else will fall into place a lot easier. Alright guys, so it took me about 10 or 15 minutes to go in and write this. It's just a little hook right now, so it's just the beginning stages of it, but just so you kind of understand what I'm going with, here is the hook. Your false claim, illusion still linger in my mind. Say I am crazy, you do this all the time. It's very easy, very simple melody that you could go ahead and rock around with. I did mine really quick, under 15 minutes, just for the purpose of this video, but you could take as much time as you need to actually write the lyrics. And just another tip for you guys, the more melodies you have in a song, the better. That's why you hear in verses, every about 4 bars, they change the way the melody sounds to keep the listener interested, to make sure that people don't get bored with the music. Alright, so just to recap, first thing you want to do is find the beat. Second, you're going to go in and find your melody to the beat. And thirdly, you're going to write the lyrics over. Now, like I said before, go ahead and take your time with that last part. That last part could take a while, especially when you're just beginning off. But if everything goes right, you should end up with something like this. False claim. Your false claim, illusion still.
EP on the beat.
Your false claim, illusion still linger in my mind. Say I am crazy, girl, you do this all the time. Guessing my last words, you'll never get it right. I told you I'd be something, I know you feel the vibe. Alright guys, well I hope you all enjoyed my tutorial on how to go ahead and write a song. I know I kind of skimmed over a couple of things such as the mixing and mastering process, which could be an entire other video on its own, just because it's so complicated and takes a while to really explain in full detail. But regardless, I hope you all got the overall gist of what I was trying to say about the 3. Once again, the 3 processes is you want to find the beat/instrumental, you want to go ahead and find your melody for that beat/instrumental, and finally you want to do songwriting, which once again I'm going to go ahead and keep saying this, right? Take your time on the writing. It comes with time that you put in. Everything, just like everything, it takes practice, but I'm sure you could do it if you really just put your mind to it. And you don't really got to do too much. A couple, maybe a song a week will probably get you in a good headspace to just start beginning. But I hope y'all did enjoy this video. I hope you really got some value from it. If y'all did like it, make sure to hit this like button down below, the subscribe button as well. Go ahead and turn on notifications so you get notified anytime I do release another video. Anyways guys, I hope y'all did enjoy, and I'll see y'all next time. I'm gonna go eat because I'm hungry as fuck. Ready? Peace.